How to pay overdue invoices on booking.com. In order to pay overdue invoices in booking.com, you have to open your browser either in your phone or computer and search for booking.com extranet. Then this first option of booking.com extranet will appear. Simply open this website and log into your booking.com admin account. After that, this page will appear in your screen. You need to tap to your profile and go to view my properties. After that, these three bars will be visible into the top left corner. Tap to that and you will see the option of finance. Select finance option from here, and after going in the finance option, you will see the option of invoices in very top. Now, if you have any overdue invoices available in this page, you can very easily see it in here. Just simply select the overdue invoices which you would like to pay for, and after selecting that specific invoice which you need to pay for, you just simply need to select the credit card which you want to use in order to pay the overdue invoices on booking.com and pay for it from here. This easily you can pay the overdue invoices on booking.com. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.